Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make a toffee box. Cut an 8x8 cardboard square, score fold lines for a snug base and lid, and use a template for consistent sides. Wrap decorative paper around the exterior, securing edges with double-sided tape. Reinforce corners with hot glue for durability. Finish with ribbon and a label to give a polished, gift-ready look that protects your toffees during transport. Enjoy gifting. In this video, I will show how to make a toffee box. Start by transferring your template to the cardboard and cut slowly for accuracy. Lightly score fold lines to keep paper smooth and fold each edge inward, checking corner alignment as you go. Secure tabs with double-sided tape first, then add a small bead of hot glue to reinforce. Allow glue to set fully before moving to decoration. In this video, I will show how to make a toffee box. Quick recommendation. On another note, if you hate sticky sweet smells in your car after deliveries, Little Tree's Black Ice is my go-to freshener, and it smells great with holiday treats. If you find this helpful, please subscribe and like so I can make more simple guides. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. In this video, I will show how to make a toffee box. After assembling the base, test fit the lid and trim if needed for a snug slide. Place any foam or decorative filler inside to protect each toffee, then secure the lid. Apply final trims like ribbon, stamps, or stickers to match the occasion. Let adhesives cure, then box your toffees carefully so they arrive looking fresh and inviting.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.